Welcome back. Today we're diving into the Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, a revolutionary 11-in-1 countertop convection oven designed to simplify your cooking experience. Whether you want to bake, broil, air fry, roast, toast, or even dehydrate, this smart oven handles it all with precision. Its powerful 1750W heating ensures fast cooking while maintaining energy efficiency. With a generous 25-quart capacity, you can cook family-sized meals effortlessly. One standout feature is the intuitive touchscreen control panel, making it super easy to select your cooking mode and adjust time and temperature with precision. The air fry function delivers crispy, golden results without deep frying, perfect for healthier meals. Meanwhile, the convection system ensures even heat distribution, so every dish from roasted vegetables to baked cookies is perfectly cooked. The oven's smart iOS and Android app integration allows you to access hundreds of chef-tested recipes, monitor cooking progress remotely, and receive notifications when your meal is ready. With presets for 11 cooking modes, the Chef IQ MiniOven practically becomes your personal kitchen assistant. Cleanup is a breeze with its removable crumb tray and non-stick interior. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a home chef, this multifunctional oven saves time and space while enhancing your culinary skills. Perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even for meal prepping, it's a true all-in-one solution. So if you want to elevate your cooking game with convenience, precision, and healthier results, check out the Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo today. Don't forget to click the link in the description to buy on Amazon, and hit subscribe for more honest reviews and kitchen gadget tips.